Hello and welcome to BMC Discovery. In this video, we are going to take a look on how to use custom reports management in Discovery. For this demo, let's log into the appliance as system user. In Discovery, Dashboard provides predefined views of your modeled IT infrastructure. You can view any of the dashboards configured on your appliance by clicking on Available Dashboard icon from the dynamic toolbox on the homepage. And here you can see the out-of-the-box available dashboards. In this demo, let's take a look how you can create your own custom dashboard and reports and charts. Click on Copy Current Dashboard. Here we can see that a new dashboard is now created. Click on Edit. We can rename the dashboard title over here. Scroll down and we can remove the charts from the dashboard. This is the list of available section, and here you can also add new sections. And the charts would be displayed over here. Click on Commit Change, click on Close, and this is your custom dashboard. Now here we can see the chart of all the hosts which are discovered over time, separated by the type. We can review how this particular chart is created, and then we can customize this according to our own custom requirement. For example, let's create a chart that will show all the root node that got discovered over time, separated by the type. In order to do that, let's go to the administration in a new tab. In model section, you have this option Custom Report Management. You can customize the reports and channel in BMC Discovery, which provides easier access to the information that you need to make the decisions. The reports are defined in an XML file that you upload to BMC Discovery through this particular user interface. So in order to see how the earlier chart was designed, this sample built-in report we can review. Click on Actions and click on Download. Click on Save, and let's open this file. The name of this chart is Host by Type Over Time. So on this page, we'll just perform Ctrl F and then look for that. And here we can see the chart with the time series channel. Let's copy this chart and we will open a simple notepad. And let's redesign this for the custom report that we want. First, we will add that this is a XML file. We will add the tag of report. We will keep the time series channel as it is, and we will change the name to All Devices Over Time. Let's change the title of the chart as All Devices Count by Type Over Time. Let's change the same thing in the description as well. Here, we are looking into all the root node. So in addition to host, let's add network device, SNMP managed device, printer, storage system, and management controller. Because we are querying multiple node kind, let's add the flag no segment, and then we will split them instead of type with the kind node. The order by can stay as name, and in the show we will add more attribute. So let's add name, and let's add kind as well. Let's add OS class, and let's add type. Here we will end the show, the time series channel. Let's end the report as well. Let's save this file. We will add the file name as All Devices Over Time. Let's save that as .xml and click on Save. After the file is saved, let's come back to Custom Reports Management. Click on Upload Custom Report. Select our custom report. And here you can see that it's uploaded successfully. Let's go back to our custom dashboard. Refresh the page. Click on Edit. Let's perform Ctrl F and look for our custom chart, which we can see over here. Let's select that, commit changes, close the button, and here we can see our custom chart. You can change the chart type, and you can also directly see the tabular result. To know more about custom report, the structure of the XML file, multiple kind of charts you can create, the report elements, and some sample on existing report that we have created, please look into our online documentation. For example, the following report will count the number of software instances on the host node, optionally limiting the software instances to a particular type that can be chosen by the user from the list. You can just copy this sample, open a notepad and add this report. At the beginning of the report, add the XML and the report details. Let's edit the title as Software Inventory Lab. Click on Save and let's save this file as XML. Come back to Custom Reports Management, upload a custom report, select the report, and here we can see it's uploaded successfully. In order to add it to the dashboard, click on Administration. And because this is a single report, we have to add it through the channel. So in Model section, click on Channels, scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on Add Report Channel. Let's look for our report, select it and add it into Selected Report section. We will enter the name and title and let's add the same thing as description and click on Apply. Once the channel is added, you can see its entry over here and click on Preview and it will show how the channel will look like. Let's go back to our dashboard, refresh it, click on Edit, look for our channel. Let's add that, click on Commit and Close. And here we can see our custom channel. Click on the report. Here you can see the product type drop down. Let's select BMC Discovery and click on Run. As the description says, the report will show you the summary of distribution for the software you have selected from the drop down. That's all in this session for right now. Thank you for watching.